Hey everyone, MrTass Tech Reviews here. Got an item that I purchased myself. Really curious to see how it works out. But this is the wireless CarPlay adapter. It's a generic adapter to give you wireless CarPlay, but it also has an HDMI port, which I also bought a Fire Stick to go with it. So the goal is to turn my car console into an entertainment unit. We'll see. But let's just go over this real quick. After all the discounts, I actually got this for about $47 instead of $69. There's an $8 coupon and then this 20% code. It came to about $47 for this thing. Says it'll work with most cars. You can see their images off to the right there. Enhance your in-car entertainment, has dual CarPlay or HDMI. So my CarPlay isn't wireless, it's currently only wired. This will make it wireless, plus give me the HDMI option, which you could connect up game consoles and all sorts of stuff. Full CarPlay functionality, plug and play, universal compatibility, pretty straightforward. You can see different people's video there. But with the CarPlay stick, different items can connect up to it. I'm really curious to try this out. Hopefully it'll be straightforward. I am going to do use my Meta frames and do an in-car demo with the install and everything that way is the plan. So we'll edit this video after. But then I also did pick up this Fire Stick 4K Max for actually $30 instead of $40. And so it's the newest, bestest Fire Stick. So we'll give that a shot. But you are here to see the item. And here it is, wireless CarPlay HD adapter. Pretty basic packaging, pretty basic item and what it does. Go ahead and open it up, see what you get in the box. In the box, we've got a little user manual, QR code, supported car models, just some basic little color manual, a little sticky. You want to stick it to a location. Here's the unit itself. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be. Fits in the hand here, so that'll get plugged in, and then it gives it HDMI. If you have USB-C, no worries. Has an adapter for USB-C. So should be pretty universal. And that's it. That's the unboxing. Woo! Yay, everyone. So I will load this up in the car. I will also set up here with the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, which has its own internal storage, so you might be able to store your own videos on here and play them. Obviously, do not use this while driving. Only use CarPlay as CarPlay is meant to. This is going to be, you'll still have to set up with your own Wi-Fi in car to be able to use the network streaming services like Disney, Amazon, what have you. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. So I will go test this out in the car and we'll get this video together and we'll see if it works. Till then. One quick thing just to show the connection point and how big it is with the stick. That's how wide it gets with the stick. Also make sure to like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate it, and we'll keep going. Okay, it is install time. So I've got the adapter here with the HDMI, USB. I'm just going to plug that right into there. I've got a blue LED on it. So that's good there. Reading USB. Bam! Okay, so I can go CarPlay or HDMI. Let's start with CarPlay. Samsung dongle. Alright, connecting wireless here. Here. So this is an Apple iPhone 12, which is connecting. Connect using wireless. Connect using Bluetooth. Pair vehicle. Giving device name, smart dongle. So pairing on the Android now. Okay. Alright. Did that not pair? Maybe it didn't like this one. Try not. Alright, we're going to turn off Bluetooth here. Couldn't connect there. Okay. Yeah, because this is connected. Alright, I disconnected this one. Connecting this one. Okay, so the Android one is not wanting to connect at the moment. Oh, that's because this is connected again. Stop that. Bluetooth settings. Alright, we're just going to turn off Bluetooth on this one. Okay, there we go. Bluetooth disconnected. Okay. Connecting. There we go. Pair. Okay. So that's paired there. Vehicle, smart dongle, connecting. Okay, so this. So that seems like it's still connected. Alright, I'm going to unplug this real quick. Plug this back in. Turn off Bluetooth there. Reading USB. Sonata. Connect for calls. Okay, go into CarPlay. Boom. Smart dongle is connected. Now let's see. Android. Looking for Android Auto. Okay. Well, while that's looking there, we're going to try the HDMI. So I am going to plug the Fire Stick into power here. And we're going to plug the Fire Stick into... My recording stopped. So I just plugged the Fire Stick into the adapter and it popped on HDMI and it says Fire TV. And voila! Fire TV. Press play to start. That's working. Now it's a little smaller on the screen, so I don't know if there's a way to adjust the resolution, maybe in the settings. And then I'd also have to turn on personal hotspot. Alright. Others to join. Settings. Alright, personal hotspot is discoverable. Alright, unable to update, disconnect power cable and then plugging back in. I don't think you need to update. But either way, the USB is working with the device. And I can hit the back here. I can go to the CarPlay. I think I need to install Android Auto on my phone, the actual app. But for now, we can do CarPlay with the Apple by turning Bluetooth back on. We'll turn Bluetooth off on this one for now. Smart dongle, connect. Connected. Okay. There we go. So the Android Auto is working wirelessly, so that's good. The HDMI does work. I'll play around with the Fire TV. I might have to set it up at home first or on a Wi-Fi. Separate and then get it to work in here, but you can connect up game controllers, other things, and do what you need to. So that's what I've got. That's responsive, good. I think that's good because that's connected to there. All right, till next time. Definitely a worthwhile device, and for the price,